Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to execute PHP custom code for specific city in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display custom code for specific city. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it and then you see select the PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is a function get underscore user underscore city. So we are going to get user city from this function. Now you see get the user IP address and we are using ip-api.com to get the city information and then you see return null. So this is our important function and this is our compulsory function also. So you can add this function in your custom code to get user information city. And then you see function to display message based on user city and then you see city get user city. So we are going to fetch this function. Now you see, so this is function we are fetching in our function add action hook. So you can add this line of code in your custom code and then you see if city Los Angeles and then you can customize this section, but we are going to display custom message for Los Angeles user. So in your custom code, you can add this line of code and then you can add if. Then between the if section, you can add your custom code. So this is our add action hook. So you can add any action hook according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top, you see inactive, no active and then click on save snippet. So our location is Pakistan. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So our location is Pakistan. But we are going to execute PHP custom code for Los Angeles user. Now you don't see any custom message here. Now go to another browser and then you see city Los Angeles. Go to cart page and refresh the page. And then you see custom message execute welcome Los Angeles user. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.